8 over 3 into its simplest form. To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the highest common factor. 1 times 3 equal to 3, so 1 and 3 are the factors of 3. Then 1 times 8 equal to 8, so 1 and 8 are the factors of 8. 2 times 4 equal to 8, so 2 and 4 are the factors of 8. So here the highest common factor between these two number is 1, just 1. Look, 1. So if I divide this 8 by 1 and 3 by 1, I am getting 8 over 3. But look, this is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we need to divide. 3 goes into 8 how many times? 2 times. That gives you 6, subtract 2. So quotient will be the whole number part, remainder will be the numerator, and divisor will be the denominator. So our answer is 2 and 2/3.